Hi, Matt. Dr. Adam Russo with Riverbend Chiropractic in Destrehan. I have my patient Tim here. Tim, let him know what's going on with you.
I have a herniated disc in my neck and in my back from a car accident where I was rear-ended back in August, and I've been coming here since then once a week to get it adjusted for my back and neck.
A little bit of spring in those joints. So bring this right leg straight in the air. Good. How about the left? How does that feel? Is there one that's tougher than the other?
I felt tension towards the lower on the left.
When you lift the left leg?
Yeah.
Okay. Legs are even. So go ahead and cross the left leg over the right. And we'll do a couple of drops here. With each drop of the table, that hip's going to move about a millimeter at a time, okay? Just relax. Now I'm going to take this leg, I'm going to bring it up, bend the knee. Just relax here. Good. Okay, bring that down and let's bring the right leg up again. Good, how about the left? How's that?
Good.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's lay on your right side. Cross your arms, and I'm going to adjust you here, okay?
Alright.
Good. All right, let's go to the other side. Is it hard for you to turn over like that?
Yeah, sometimes.
Cross over just like that. Good. All right, let's go on your back. Relax this leg. So when I pull here, you're going to feel it move in your hip here. Just going to reset that hip joint. Good. Felt that move?
Yeah.
All right. Relax there. Good. One more time. Okay. All right. Now cross your arms for me. I'm going to go into the middle back here. Come back, take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. All right. And I'm going to do that Y strap adjustment on you, okay?
Okay.
So, this pain, does it affect you at work?
Sometimes, yeah.
What do you do for work?
I do electrical work.
Okay. So when you're standing for a long time, lower back tends to hurt more when you're standing in one spot for a long time?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, scoot down towards your feet there. Lift your head. Right there, come back down. Good. So I'm going to stretch it a couple times before I tug here, okay?
Alright.
Does that feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, just relax. I'm going to tug here. Good. Where'd you feel that?
At the top of my neck.
Top of your neck, did it go any further down? Sometimes it does.
No, not this
Okay.
time.
Alright. I'm going to adjust your neck now, okay?
Alright.
Just relax there.